What if I say that sum of all positive number does not equal to infinity but is actually equals to minus 1 by 12? Yes, a negative number. This sounds impossible. How adding all positive number gives out a negative result? But the exact result was discovered by Srinivas Ramanujan. And in this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step proof. To begin, I need to define our main series, which is S infinity equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on. And we know that the sum goes to infinity, but using special mathematical methods, we can assign it a surprising value, which is we know that we are going to prove it as minus 1 by 12. So, to understand this, we first need to define two other series. The second series is Grandi series, which is Sg equals to plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1 and so on. Now observe carefully that we can rewrite it as Sg equals to and we can see that the part inside the brackets is also Sg. So this becomes Sg equals to 1 minus Sg, and we can see that 2Sg equals to 1, and finally Sg equals to 1 by 2. So we assign this value 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 equals to 1 by 2. And the last series which is required is the alternating number series. And before explaining this, I need to recall you that first was the infinity series S infinity, which is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And the second series was the Grandi series, which we assigned as 1 by 2. Now the third series, the alternating number series, which is S alpha equals to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 and so on. What we can do in this series is that we can add S alpha again, but number starts from here, leaving one gap. So this becomes 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 and so on. So if we add these two, this becomes 2S alpha equals to, this becomes 1 minus 2 plus 1 equals to minus 1, this becomes plus 1, and this series goes same, so on. Now observe that 2S alpha equals to, this is the Grandi series, which is Sg, and 2S alpha equals to 1 by 2. Now S alpha equals to 1 by 4. Now I have written all three series and the two series which we have reassigned the value as Sg equals to 1 by 2 and S alpha equals to 1 by 4. So now let's go to our main series, which was S alpha equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and so on. And we know S alpha equals to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 and so on. Now subtract S alpha from S infinity. S alpha minus S infinity, which gives us 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on, minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 and so on. Now solving this, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on, giving minus inside. So this becomes minus 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 4 minus 5 and so on. Now if we see that plus 1 and minus 1 cancel out each other, this becomes 0. Then plus 2 and plus 2 becomes 4, plus 3 and minus 3 cancel out and becomes 0, plus 4 and plus 4 becomes 8, and this series continues this way. Now S infinity minus S alpha equals to 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 and so on. Now if I take 4 common, this becomes 4 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on. Now S infinity minus S alpha equals to 4. Now look at this bracket, it is S infinity. As we know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 so on is S infinity. Now if we further simplify this, minus S alpha equals to 4S infinity minus S infinity. Now minus S alpha equals to 3S infinity. 3S alpha equals to minus S alpha. Solving this here, we got 3S alpha equals to minus S, we got 3S infinity equals to minus S alpha. Now 3S infinity equals to minus, we know that S alpha was 1 by 4 and S alpha equals to minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. Finally we got S infinity equals to minus 1 by 12. Now this is very important. In normal addition the sum goes to infinity, but using advanced mathematics called analytic continuation and the zeta function, we assign it this special value, and surprisingly this result is used in real physics including string theory and quantum physics. So today you saw something truly mind-blowing, an infinite sum of positive number giving a negative result. This shows how deep mathematics really is. If you enjoy learning powerful and mind-blowing mathematics, subscribe to the channel. This is just the beginning. Thank you for watching.